Hello, Martin Baker here, over in Ardingly in West Sussex, really close to our factory and show centre. I wanted to show you one of our latest buildings we installed. Only finished this a few weeks ago. The client's over the moon of the project. Weirdly, this is one that I've not been involved in at all, never met the client until today, but really gone well. It's our small garden office, our J office, the largest size, which is 3.5 metres wide. It's 2.4 deep, and then we've got that additional store. So these are additional stores you can add on 1.2, 1.5 or 1.8. This particular one is the 1.2. Hardwood door, 10-year guarantee on this, the rubber roof, MTX cladding on the front V100, and then cement wall to the back and both sides. Elected to have the door in the middle. You could actually have the door left or right with two windows next to each other, but this does work well because you then have one side for your desk and another side where you could use for chill out. This is being used for books and storage. This is actually being used as a writing room, and hopefully one day we're going to get a published book out of this room, which will be a really exciting thing. So I've told him to let me know about that. Customer went for our silver level service, so that means that we've done everything on this project apart from the internal painting and finishing and just cleaning down. That was all done by the client. Steel and timber frame base, and then we've got those two small steps because of the levels of this land that made sense. Into the hardwood door, into the store section. Like I say, it's 1.2 wide, unlined section of course this, and now as standard we're doing an aluminium threshold. That threshold being aluminium means when you bring the mower in and out, you're not going to damage that kind of, it was a timber one, so that's now become a standard item. Hardwood door looks really nicely. Yes, there you go. So that's our small garden office known as our J office. 3.6 wide, 2.4 deep, and then with that additional store to the left hand side that you can have. We are ready to go with these buildings. We've actually got all of the component parts in stock, so we can turn these around in as quick as 6 weeks from order to starting on site, even a little bit sooner potentially through the winter of this year. So yeah, let us know if this is of interest to you. If you need to separate your home life and work, or need somewhere, a bolt hole you can go to just to go and enjoy, I think this is a lovely cost-effective solution. On our website you'll find everything you need. Pricing's all on there on our small garden office page. Thank you.